Hey, everybody. I want to do something a little bit different. As you probably know, I've created my different visualizations with artificial intelligence assistants. So basically, I created a Python program to do my visualizations, and I created a Python program using different artificial intelligence assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, and more recently Claude from Anthropic. And over the last 9 months or so, I migrated from ChatGPT 3 to 3.5 to Claude 3 and now Claude 4. And I can see how they've gotten more and more powerful all the time. And as you probably also know, there's a lot of concern out there about artificial intelligence becoming so powerful that basically we can't control it, where we become more and more dependent on it. And at the same time, it becomes more powerful and maybe does things that are really not good for us. Maybe as a result of other people, or maybe a result of its own quirks and things like that. But at the same time, we become dependent and we can't really disconnect it. Um, it becomes so integrated into everything that we do. So I had a chat with Gemini about this, and I wanted to share that with you. I thought it was kind of interesting, so you might you might think it's interesting as well. So I'm gonna play that.